Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to fxace.com. First of all, welcome to today's video. So this video is your free trade setup for the week ahead. And before we actually get into the video, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. So we've been on a bit of a roll as of late. Past 3 weeks with a pro signal service, we've banked around nearly 1,500 pips. And with the free signals, it has been triggered every week, and I'm nearly sure nearly 180 to 200 pips have been banked off the free signal that I've sent out each week. So this week's trade is going to be in the EURUSD, and I'm going to hide my face. I'm armed with my new pen, my touchscreen laptop, and you're going to get this week's setup now. So let me just hide my screen. Okay, and get the charts set up. Okay, so here we go. And I'll just move this, I'll try and move this up here. Okay, as you can see on the monthly charts, EURUSD past 4 months has been heading up. So I am expecting it to run into a bit of resistance. Let's see, up around this kind of area here. Okay, and you can see it's had a reaction here before, again here before in the monthly charts. So this week I'm expecting a reaction up around this high here. Okay, and if we look at the daily charts, we'll just move this again. We have daily zone here. It has been tested before. Okay, and what I wanted to do is come up and touch this line and then move down a little, and possibly in the future head back up. Okay, so this will likely be a nice buying zone in the future. Okay, between 111 and 112. Okay, so this is going to be our profit target, and our entry is going to be around 114,800. So it's a very simple setup. Okay, I'm not expecting the market to take this out this week. We are in the summer period, so I'm expecting kind of things to come up around this area and get a reaction. So let's see if I can get my drawing tool. Okay, and here we go. Let's type this in. So sell EURUSD at 1.148. Okay, stop loss is going to be 116, and 16, and take profit is going to be, say, 111. Okay, 111, or go down a little bit further at 1. No, 111 is fine. Okay, so that's the setup: 1.14, 114.8, 116, and 111 for your take profit. Okay, so we'll just hide this. Okay, I'll get the drawing tool up again, and free hand. So I'm expecting the market to come up to about this area here, and then head down towards here, and then take off maybe in the future here. Could be wrong, but this is what I'm expecting here. We could actually get a move up a little bit higher, but this week I'm expecting reaction to this line here. Could fall a little bit shorter down here and head back up. We will see in time. And just hide this tools. Okay. Again, we've got a nice weekly area here. Future at 116. So if this fails 116, be another nice selling opportunity. Okay, and possibly another buying opportunity in around here. Okay. As always, another big thing that I look for is a divergence signal. So You can either take the pending order at 114.8, or you can look for a divergence signal happening on the lower time frames. Okay, not too sure what's happening on the forward chart here. Weekend data can be annoying sometimes. Okay, but either look for a divergence signal happening in and around that price on the 4 hour or the 1 hour, and you can take the trade on that, or you can just allow it to come up to the 114.8 trade. So that's your free setup for the week ahead. It's a selling opportunity on the Euro USD. To access the full signal service, you can head over to the website, or if you're watching this on the website, just simply click the link below which says, yes, I want this now. You can read through the website here, read through the reviews from other clients that are in my group, the results they're getting, read through the letter, know exactly how the service works. It's a very simple service. We enter the trades on a Monday morning or a Sunday evening, depending on where you are in the world, when the market's open, 1 to 2 hours after the market opens, so we're not caught in weekend gaps or with a huge spread period. Okay, so 1 to 2 hours after the market's open, we enter the signals, trade setups for the week ahead. We come back towards the end of the week, either Thursday or Friday, and close our positions out, no matter what they are. Okay, and we start fresh with a new set of trades for each week. Okay, so this week we've got around 22 setups. I've given you probably one of my highest probability setups for the week ahead, which is a selling opportunity Euro USD. As always, trade at your own risk. If you want to access the full list, simply click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and have a great week. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next video, will@fxace.com.